Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a custom 404 page in Next.js. Here we begin by importing React and our custom CSS module. We define a functional component called custom 404. In the return statement, we have a div element with a class container that centers everything on the page. Inside, we have an h1 element indicating a 404 error, and a p element for additional descriptive text. Now, let's take a look at the styling for our custom 404 page. In our custom 404 module CSS file, the container class uses Flexbox to center its contents both horizontally and vertically. The title class defines the font size and color for the title, while the description class does the same for the descriptive text. We ensure that the container fills the entire viewport height for a full-screen experience. To integrate our custom 404 page within the Next.js app, you would typically place the component into a file named 404.js inside the pages directory. However, for demonstration purposes, we're showing a snippet that would be included in pages_app.js. The MyApp component wraps around the entire application, and by default, Next.js will automatically use our custom 404 component as the 404 page if we have it named 404.js in the pages directory.